Hey beautiful people, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own lip balm. As with any of my DIY videos, I always want to tell you why it's important to make your own if the DIY version is even better than the one you buy on the market. Now, there are some good lip balms on the market which I use, but most of the lip balms on the market are actually really not good for you. A lot of them make your lips dry out. Have you ever noticed that you buy a lip balm and every single time you want to keep topping up? Number one, it gives you that tingling feeling and you feel like, oh, this lip balm is working. But what it does is actually make you addicted to topping it up, but it does nothing for the health and hydration of your lips. Tell me you have been there, because I have. And that was what inspired me to start making my own lip balms, because with making your own lip balms, you're using the best organic natural ingredients, and you know that everything that's going into your lip balm, it's great oils, not just petroleum or mineral oil going on your lips, oils that are actually beneficial for your skin and actually do something to the health of your lips. So I'm going to show you. It's a very easy recipe. I promise you, if you've never done a DIY before, this is one DIY you can absolutely try, because it is completely foolproof. It's like idiot proof. This is your idiot proof lip balm recipe. I think that's what I'm going to title this video as. Now let's get into it. So in order to make a really good recipe, here's what you need. You need some beeswax. This one I've used for a while. You need some coconut oil. I use this. You can always use the liquid one. You need some shea butter, some cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, and obviously you need your fragrance. Today I am using this vanilla flavored one and this strawberry bonbon flavor. Oh my god. So I'm going to make two recipes. For the strawberry one, I'm also going to color it with a bit of mica. So the question is, what if you don't have all of these things? That's completely fine. You can choose any oils you have or any butters that you have. You just need soft butters, like soft butter, like shea butter that is soft at room temperature. Coconut oil is in that category, but coconut oil can also be liquidy. So you want your soft butters, you want your hard butters that are like rock at room temperature, like cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is very hard at room temperature. And you want your wax, and then you want your liquid oils, like the almond oil, all of that, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, all of those kind of oils that are liquid at room temperature. So let me just take this again for you. Soft butters, hard butters, wax, and your liquid oils. Those things come together to make a really fabulous lip balm recipe. So what I'm putting in here is 20 grams of beeswax, 12 grams of coconut oil, 13 grams of shea butter, 15 grams of cocoa butter, 15 grams of avocado oil, another 15 grams of sweet almond oil, 9 grams of vitamin E oil, and 1 gram of fragrance, which I'm going to add after everything is well melted. The recipe will be linked in the description box below, so check it out. So I'm just going to place this really quickly over a double boiler and see that everything is melted. It usually takes about 5 minutes to melt completely. And then once it's all melted, you want to add your fragrance oil. Now, because I am making two different recipes, what I'm doing is separating half of the recipe. So in half of it, I'm going to put the vanilla fragrance, which will be really lovely. And in the second one, I'm going to use the strawberry fragrance with a bit of mica to give it a slight pink color. So for the first one, I'm using strawberry bonbons. So I put because it's half of the recipe, I used about 11 drops. And then I put some pink mica just to make it look beautiful. And then I do this on the heat, because the thing about this mixture, lip balm mixture, is that it will harden on you like this. It's so quick to harden, so you want to mix it properly and make sure that it's all well blended, and then put in your container of choice. I quite like these tins because they accommodate so much. They're about 50 grams, so I really like them, and that's why I like to use them. For the second half, which was already starting to harden, I had to put it back on the heat, and then I put a bit of the vanilla flavor, and I mixed it properly and also put it in a tin. Now, if you have any leftovers or whatever, you can always put it in a tin or a tube, whatever container you have on hand, just put it. Trust me, this is literally the best lip balm you will ever use. Just trust me on this recipe. Let me know if you try it. It's so moisturizing. It's so beautiful to use. Now, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you next time. Let me know in the comments below, are you going to try this? Just let me know. I'll see you guys later.